How to remove banner image for your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and simply search for youtube.com. So let's just launch the YouTube application and simply make sure that you have logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, simply select on the option of view your channel over here. And as a tap on view your channel, it will land us to the new page where you can simply land onto your channel. So let's just see over here. So tap on the option of customize channel option. As a tap on customize channel, it will land us to a new page yet again over here. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So here, if you want to remove the banner image, you can simply first of all tap on the upload option on the banner image, and I'm going to select on a very random picture over here for now, and then tap on done. So let's tap on done again. And there you go. Now, if you want to remove it, simply tap on remove option and there you go. That's how you can remove banner image for your YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.